How to pay Amazon Prime monthly. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can pay Amazon Prime monthly, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you have an active subscription on Amazon Prime, let's say you have a monthly subscription every month, what happens is that you don't have to actually review the payment, because as long as your payment details are still inside your Amazon account, Amazon Prime or Amazon themselves will automatically deduct the charge and then renew your subscription each and every month without you having to do anything. So in this case, if you're talking about paying Amazon Prime monthly, you don't have to worry about it, because every month after your billing date has been accomplished, after that Amazon Prime is automatically going to deduct the balance. Now in another case, what you could be talking about is that you have an annual subscription, and instead of paying annually you want to start paying monthly. Now remember about this: if you have already have a annual plan, it means you have already been charged for the whole year, so which means you've been charged for 12 months already. So only then what you can do is, after this year has finished, you can switch your plan to the monthly plan. Unfortunately, Amazon is not actually going to refund the money that they have charged you for the whole year. Of course, why would anybody refund their money once you already have the subscription? What you can do is wait until the whole year and then start paying Amazon Prime monthly. Now to review any type of subscriptions you have, you can go to amazon.com and log into the account. Tap on your profile name from the top, and here you can see your account. So just tap on the see all option next to your account. Once you're here on this page, you should be able to see Prime memberships. So just tap the Prime membership option here, and once you tap the Prime membership option, you should be able to see any sort of subscriptions that you have. So hope this video helped you as to understand how you can pay Amazon Prime monthly. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.